on the important GST meet as a council takes a decision on the announcements made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his Independence Day speech. The street is pricing in a $13 billion consumption boost if slabs are rationalized, leading to tax cuts and demand boost. Let's go across to my colleague Prakash Priyadarshi to understand what are the major announcements which are expected today. Prakash is on ground to report all the happenings which is going to be there on today as well as tomorrow. Prakash, what should one expect from this meeting?
The much awaited two-day GST Council meeting has begun. In fact, we are expecting some significant announcements. As you are aware, that the GST on rate rationalization has already supported the centre's proposal for a two-rated structure. In fact, we are expecting a significant reduction on various items in terms of GST rates. 99% of items under 12% category will come under 5%. Some items under 28% category such as cement, electrical, electronic items will come under 18% slab. However, there will be a 40% separate slab for sin goods and high-end luxury items, luxury cars, bikes, pan masala, tobacco will attract 40% GST. However, GST on small cars may come down, and that will be placed under 18% slab. This is what which had been proposed by the central government. Along with that, GST on key economic sectors may come down, could see potential reduction in terms of GST, such as agriculture, textile, fertilizer, renewable energy, automotive, handicrafts, medical devices, insurance, construction, can see big benefits under the newest structure. In fact, GST on tractor may be reduced to 5% from existing 12%. GST on machinery parts may come down, may be placed under 5% slab. GST on majority of handicraft items may come under 5% slab after abolition of 12%. GST Council may also address inverted duty structure in the fertilizer sector and may levy a uniform 5% GST on both fertilizer inputs and final products. Along with that, GST on majority of medical devices likely to be reduced from 12% to 5%. So these are the broader picture, broader proposal which have been placed before the GST Council for its wider deliberation. But the one thing that we need to keep in mind is, of course, compensation. A demand for compensation that the state governments are demanding, especially opposition rural states have placed their demand to compensate them against potential revenue losses. Let's see how the GST Council arrive at conclusion and going to make significant announcements. Back to you.
All right. Thank you so much, Prakash, for all those action, and we'll be getting in touch with you once again for more updates. Thank you. But then Andhra Pradesh